Let me teach you how to quickly change the filament on your Bambu A1 Mini. To begin, press the filament cutter lever on the print head. Then, double tap the screen to wake it up. Press the Controls button. Then, on the extruder, press the Extract button 5 times to back the filament out of the print head. Press the Back button. Press the Filament button. Press the Load Filament button to begin warming up the print head. Then begin removing the old filament. Insert the new filament all the way into the PTFE tube until it stops. Then continue to apply gentle pressure until you feel the filament feed into the print head. The print head takes about 60 seconds to warm up to 250 degrees Celsius after you press the Load Filament button. When the print head is fully warmed up, the print head will move around a few times, signaling it's about to feed the filament into the extruder. After the print head finishes moving around, you should feel the filament feed into the PTFE tube. When the printer asks if the filament was fed, press the Filament Extruded button. Now you are done quickly changing the filament on your Bambu A1 Mini.